Hold on the people. Good night, wash me hand good there, you see? Hold on. Look at try them out properly first, you know? Try them be too sure. You see me? See me here. Sir P said my retire people and him left the game in a few hands. Me I take you up. Alright. Hand wash, thing clean. How me see it time. You see what me I say? And before anybody jump in at them feelings, you see me I say just most of the episode yeah, and I really mix up it a start with. It start with flowers. We know what Sir P we are talking about, you know, but you know, Sir P one of Jamaica most recognizable vloggers in a space. You see me I say, for God's sake, he man call himself the number one informer. The biggest informer at that. And I don't lie, if you don't know Sir P, criminal, politician, police, no man really feel safe when them and they drop for them video. Whether it be every Sunday or they just tell us, oh, we are gonna drop one night week. Yeah. You see what I say? But now, the G forward and say, I retire. I see people confused. You know, you have man out there you can celebrate. You see me, I say, you have people where not believe him. Which is fair, is a me I say, cause he's a fucker man, so you see me, he forward all the time I tell you all the sit and he never go so. Now me now follow up with Sir P my whole time too. I think I know him, I don't remember when him do a video about 87s and 110 or some acting business, something and not I acting, you know. But you know, some gas business, like him a try to about red collar criminal them, white collar criminal them, see? So I think of the video I'm following from. I say, you have sense. You see me? So I really that flowers me G. You see me? I say, just give my honest take on how me take the news. Cause I see video I skip around it, cause I say I'm frigger man, so I just think I'm more frigger. First thing first, respect really and truly due to this man. You see what I say? Sir P he have one run where most creators could have only dream about for really catch. Them and they stay consistent. You see me I say with storytelling and them and they understand one system when enough people, most people scared for even mention. You see we do a couple of Matrix video. Light work Ronnie. Because you see me I say we face a show. Yeah I mean so we not too the Matrix send for we not too depend that again. Matrix people, I would rather you send me the letter of corporation. I will. I don't choose slaughteration. Back to it. Enough people afraid to talk about some things where man talk about. You see me I say I'm afraid people mention it. You see me I say so me always say this, whether I don't agree with him or not, I can't even deny impact where the youth have when he can tell on us something. You see me I say can make people pay attention and ask questions. You see me? I say yo, hold on. Maybe I know a full story where I get to the thing here because that sounds shaky. I know a country like Jamaica Parry that dangerous and powerful at the same time because around here so you know information alone can give you trouble. So just imagine man we have break down the information. You see me? So watch your style. He might lift up, he might retire, Zane, and I don't really know if nobody has no speculation about it. I ain't go through the comment section to be honest. But me have a speculation. Because them are something and I really just come out of, you know what I say? 10 years so. Me personally believe say him have a family angle where him a run. You see me, it's like one Eminem 50 Cent situation. 50 Cent a line up one tour where him and Eminem for do to make some whole heap of money. Sorry yeah. Lighter, missing. So 50 Cent I do one tour where I line up one tour where him and Eminem for do to make some whole heap of money. You know, good business. Eminem excuse for not doing the tour was this. And not excuse, it's not even an excuse, this was his reason. Him say him no want to go up on tour and come back and find one grown daughter. In daughter Haley, Pitney at the time. So I say no one go back, and do this tour shit and come back and find out say your daughter grew up without him, bro. You see me I say, and that's real, because we go up on the road, I try provide for the youth. We do this YouTube thing to try provide for the youth. You see me myself can relate to that, because as me tell just all the while, I have a plan. At the moment YouTube start paying me, I shall be retiring probably 5 to 10 years max after that. You see me I say, I go structure it so with audience is fulfilled within that time. You see me I say, but 5 to 10 years, man, because honestly, me youth them 1 and 3. You see me I say, 13 and 11. I didn't years they didn't really need the guidance, you see me? Benny Root, Benny Tree from the young, me there. So that a go on. But the guidance, them teen days, them young teen days there. So me really believe say is a family thing. Cause him say yo, might jump back in and raid, you see me? Now one next angle did way me I think about, because me hearing say something in the midst of like him I say him can't just talk and not do. You see me, no legacy or something like that. You know what I mean? Something like that. Although in a jeer in there jeer people for the most of that, you see me I say by saying no legacy and no liking predictions correct and no liking influence people. When we know amount of like a CRP influence, PNL are one of them. Is what me I say. We know the predictions them when man make. We know the advice when man be like the government. And as much as one favorite government members probably not admit it, I am them follow, bro. I am them listen to. Is what me I say, because it's a loud enough voice, and that's why I say yo, whether or not you like it, is what me I say it would have an impact. But my thing is this, him say him can't just do. You can't just say do. So I feel like him get offered some form of consultant job within the security forces. Probably Uncle C talk like him call it. I don't think it would have been that. Yes, me feel like he get some consultant job though, Something when can make real changes, if I know a family thing. And then also the politics is why it sound funny, but you know what I mean? He might have advice, he have strategies, he have, you see me I say, maybe he might get one position like councillor, or councillor, MP, or member of parliament. So then, councillor, then look at people that were forward around no places. You see me I say, or where they up at office want to go to, then look at people. It start somewhere, you see me? Your councillor can become an MP. Yeah, so I don't know. That's my thought to it. You see me? Wanna tell me in the comment section what you think Sir P. What you think Sir P are going with make him retire from YouTube. I maybe just run out of content, that could also be an option, I doubt it, but A bigger conversation is this. Independent media in Jamaica are change. You see me? The audience smarter now, bro. So it's like people don't just want the headlines no more. They want context to the headlines. Sir P was a major part of the shifting, kind of spearhead that, whether you love him or hate him, bro. You see me? I email push that forward. And that worked out in a few favor. So yes, him say I left YouTube to one of favorite, to the audience favorites. Me not gonna lie, I take that personal. As me say, you see me, because that's a kind of we feel already. Him say something tonight, well, also resound with me. Him say him never was about he was never about tearing down people's images. It was about tearing down narratives. And narratives is what people use and turn people in an idiot, they sheep them. You see me I say? So that's what critical thinking is all about. You see me I say? Questioning the narrative. Just think outside of the box. Now just take where you see them put in a black and white there. You see me I say? So I not really competition when I say me I take it personal. I just as a responsibility. You see me I say? Because I say similar mind. I would have on the Vulture Squad because him say Patreon Squad no what God. Me no dey on the Patreon Squad. I think I pay for that. I'm supposed to do on the one at a time. I don't even know. As I said, I don't want Serpy like that. I forgot ask Chevy. Yeah, them people they watch Serpy. So yeah, so I don't watch it like that. Watch Chevy sit down and watch the episode and I said, me watch Serpy. Yo, so what you know? Me a podcaster, me and a blogger. So I not chase crime story. I go follow PNL and the rest of them. I'm on the way I do them. But sit there. So I say, but me I go reason things out. And me I go do it slow and logical. And cultural and real. You see what I say? So that's just it for me. So I go in like this. Serpy, well fucking done, bro. Well fucking done. Flowers well deserved. And him say him don't give a damn if you remember him. Remember C4, cause just like how I tell him say him spearhead some shit, C4 actually spearhead this shit for crime in Jamaica. Boy, I'm just out the fuck. Come like a man out there, so every time this a man a fix the road, show material pan the road, fee road fix, rainfall, and it come like nobody don't notice. So out the fuck. I see him with Andrew and the man I got you Sahara dust, salt your fuck. This man I got you COVID, salt your fuck. But he still win, you know. But salt your fuck. Hey. So I see it there again now. The best year for Jamaica, any politician and Serpy would have said could have ride off in a sunset with that eye clear. Oh, lowest crime rate in almost 30 or 50 years. Me don't know. I don't know, don't hold me to that. But isn't it? The lowest crime rate in a long ass time. And we had Melissa. Just look how sad Mr. Man be. So Serpy, big up yourself for an entertaining run, a thrilling run. You see me I say an informative run. You see me I say, yeah man, your legacy secure man. You see me? And as for we, the critical thinkers, the critical thinking family, you see me I say, down in 876 and in a diaspora, same way. We will continue to question narratives and think critically. You see what I say? As I say, Serpy, give it. Don't say so my hands cleaning as I got to know. Yeah, people, so welcome back to How I See It. I know it's been a while, you see me I say, but you don't know, it's started up. Over there, man. You see me? Hope I don't know usual. Cyril drink, Christmas cake, you know, I like black cake, you see me, but pudding, you see me, I don't get nothing more than there, but you don't know, you go. Big up for yourself, you see me I say, with a grudge you do at all. You see me I say, for the still want to say that slice, that's where they come. You see me? Me personally like eggnog over Cyril most times still, but you don't know. Fun fact, you know, say Cyril real name is like hibiscus. You see me? Like hibiscus flowers, yeah. But what a year! 2020 blouse and skirts 5. Couple days of 2026. You see me? I say, I'm sure not get this before then, man, cause me need to give one this a piece of advice. Yeah. My day is up on TikTok live. This is what I say. So from time to time when I see my phone, my eyes them move from rare to rare. You see me I say, I engage with the audience and that audience. You see me I say, but I don't know a core audience. No, big up the grassroots subscribers again. Glad for your journey. Hey, matter of fact, when I know reach 1 year. Yeah, man, reach 1 year, man. The first video December 10, 2024. Yeah, man. And we did a predict say there was gonna be a war in the dancehall. Close enough, right? Yeah, man, give us some credit, man. Yeah, man, I big up for the damn self to believe we and stick with it till them time there. You see what me I say? Till them time you know. So I big up on myself, man. You see me I say? What me realize in 2025 will show me for one thing clearly. Everybody have a platform. Everybody turn journalist, judge, jury. You see me? I sometimes just straight up Wi-Fi liar, like your brother will say. And Tommy Lee did drop the container and you know the thing there. Yeah man, we bullshit detector. You see me? So yeah. Got some story good, you know. So yeah, me don't get me wrong. But when pause. When you shake them they don't hold water. You see me? Nothing not fall out, leak out. I tell you, you see me I say? Alright, so I could start it. So all the liar tell online, you know, brother. You see me? The older generation are confused and refuse to acknowledge and then confused. And the younger generation them no know nothing, but know something, but none what they know not really. You see me I say? I don't feel life. You see me, and I life principles them. So you don't have to realize when people attack. You see me, Jay-Z they say in one song, I say yo, never argue with a fool out loud, cause from a distance people can't tell who's who. You see me I say? Yeah man. So upgrading a bullshit detector. Cause me say none for them story, you know. No wall water. I could start international. You see me? 50 Cent drop one documentary. Everybody a talk about Diddy. Story of life and left to right. You see me I say? Some of them sound real, you know. Some of them sound well exaggerated and some just straight up a fucker. You see me? So, why first rule? One story without evidence is just performance. You see me? Somebody will tell you something and then on a receipt feed, then on a timeline, then on a consistency, I just vibes and emotion, a performance that. You see what me I say? Yeah, that are not really. You see me? My mother say, you can't bring that to me and expect me to act upon that. You see me I say? My brain I just trigger be a red flag. You see me? And here where people get fooled now. If your story align with people public hate for somebody, you then just stop questioning it. You see me? But trust me when me say it true, no care who people already dislike. I just the truth. So I have to just ask myself, why no? You see me I say like who a benefit and why details keep on a change. You see me? That I especially in I did the case. Cause some people now want justice in I did the case, you know. If you know watch for you know, Netflix, a 4 episode. If you're watching, enough of people them not really want justice. Just me I say I just relevance then did one. Then get kicked out of the camp. I mean, you didn't know the freak shit are going. You know what I mean? You get kicked out of the camp. and you feel like a nigga play on straight up, because if you don't watch the documentary, that's all Diddy did. Play them, I mean, freaky shit, I can't live without all that, but a straight thug shit, the man play them like a pimp, bro. You see me I say? Promise them this, promise them that, and you also licky. The man give them a contract for sign overnight, about 200 papers for sign within 24 hours. And the contract, some of them even had them lawyers tell them on the contract, say yo, tell them say the contract is offering you fame, not fame and fortune, just fame, and them still sign that shit. Seen, and then you come ball years after. Now, as I say, I just relevant some of them more. So when the story sound dramatic but it flimsy, me see it a leak. It a leak. You see me? And 50 Cent, you don't have to understand this about 50 Cent. 50 Cent is him is an actual troll. You know what I mean? Because I'm telling you something if you don't know about trolling. Everybody talk about who a troll this and who a troll that. Trolling is bullying. You see what I say? trolling is bullying. I always the wickedest, the toughest motherfuckers. The boy them were just bad. You see what I say? The boy them were just bad. And them always a make fun of you. You see me I say, me just say that a bully cause we know we can use the powers. Zine cause we big and run. You know what I mean? But if we make fun of you and you feel some type of way where you're gonna do. You see me? And if you do something, we're prepared to do something back. So you see, me just say a bullying at the end of the day, cause me not go fuck around somebody, you see me I say, and then them not find it funny. Which I don't think they would. But when they want to come do something now, when they want to come do something back, I have to go flag them. When I miss that fuckery, I don't really find that fear. You see me I say, that I just not for me style. I get an invitation for co-host on the TikTok, yeah. So just give me a second, people. Get in chat. The youth I want real youth named Chunk Star, you see me I say? Yeah. Brother, how you deal with?
Not much, you know.
How you go?
Critical.
Oh,
What do you mean? That's run a match finally, you see?
yeah, straight. Yeah, man. I man I told me I say is a record, me a record for my podcast. You see me I say? Aye. So that's what I mean. Yeah, yeah, straight.
Hold on it. Your part, hold on, turn up this, come on. Tell me your podcast so we can go subscribe, you know.
Yeah, man, a critical thinking 876 on the YouTube, man. You see it? Yeah, but bro. So I told me, say, me remember, yeah, say you're alright with it, but you had the same way, man. So I say, you know what? Make sure I see you come up, you know, I say, make sure just click the same time, cause, you can't go again. And did the case with them, with the documentary. We just go on, we just drop on Netflix. I say, enough of them people, they just sound like, then get played, pimp style played, you see me, by Diddy, you see me? And with that,
Me an artist. In my sense, when I say, enough of them actually know what they want to do.
yes, sir.
Work with it.
Yes, sir, myself,
Because come to light and body no want to go behind the iron bars, so body a play the devil's advocate and try to stay safe. So me see.
yeah, that's how you, that it chat, this, that the segment and name, how me see it's a right thing that my bro believe. You hear that, body, if I telling us, say, yo, Chunk Star, the follow G for the TikTok. You see me, people?
Thank you so much.
But believe me, man, because I saw me see it too, similar me G, because brother, as me said, the people them not look like they want justice, they look like a relevance they want back, then just get played. You see me? Oh, who this?
Why
Chunk.
would I say?
Are you this again? Accept.
When them have money now, them people have money now, and I like to them broke.
You see me, bro? Come on,
Now
man.
fight it with higher case. Nobody could have checked them out, just kind of powerful as much as.
Style.
So why?
Style, man. Style in my run, brother. So, watch me now. Because I want to go locally, because the thing is, me watch 2 locks. Me don't really watch podcasts. But through me don't watch podcasts and people say I say me better than them. But me is a boy when me like my thought for original, you see me? Because enough things when me talk I just off of my head and I don't know when me did that think about. You see me? So, me don't watch podcasts because me don't want me and a man to talk about a topic, and when me say something a man say, you know somebody here with it, I say it's the same thing, me rather feel better than myself, you know, so me ain't listen to him do, you know. You see me? So, yeah, probably a great minds think alike, but me just want to know say I ain't pirate a guy. You see me? It's a thing with this now, me say, the people them with Massacre versus Tamale situation, what yeah? You see me? And 2 locks. I talk about one couple there on TikTok name must say Drizzle and Chad or something like that. A Drizzle and Chad. We don't know who them. Drizzle and Chad. We don't know who them be. You see me, dog? You see me? But You know TikTok, everybody have 110,000 followers and that, and 10,000 followers a whole heap is a mini little city that, you know. You see me? And that enough people not understand, you know. So when they see some people get famous on TikTok and them a say, yo, oh me never see them a people. Bro, them a people have 10,000 followers, a whole heap that to one side for itself, you know. It might look little bit, but 10,000. You see me? Yeah, G. So, yeah, man, you will see them big one at a time. But, yeah, man, so Drizzle, he might talk about Drizzle, but what he might try to do is, because a two-side tell story, because then come and come hear the dirty laundry on the internet. So, the G, I try to make them know, say, what you know, you know, if you can decipher who a lie and who a deflect. You see what I say? Because if two of them a lie, and the two of them a play a victim, but one of them a play a better victim and a lie smarter. You see what I say? So when I say to myself is, this man don't really interested in the episode. No. Him interested to teach him audience how to detect bullshit. And me say this coming off of the fact say, him know that, and nobody at all, none of the vlogger them at all, with this Tamilian massacre war we just go and look a while. None of them in a real time decipher say Tamilia tell some bugger lie. You see me? And watch you know, if you check them channel, now when you are done, you know, you hear enough of them a say some things, you know, where with a show say them did a say Tamilia thing them now. You know? No credible. I say no bro, so I couldn't never do that in a clash. I couldn't just go with the narrative of the audience. You see what I say? So to me, 2 lakhs, I guess I even inspired the episode then, because to me he did just a try work teaching the audience how to detect bullshit between using Drizzle and Chad.
Clash. I mean me bring.
Yeah.
What you have to there's a saying, all is fear in love and war.
That it is.
So, it's a 99 ways to die, choose one. Man will do anything for win. Next man will do it next.
That, you see that, my G? I not hear nobody mention nothing along the line there. People, one of my microphone dead, so I might not hear what Chungstar say. You see me? But he must say all his fear in love and war. A man will do anything to win, and at the end of the day, 99 ways for die, man, you have to choose one. You see me I say? And if me hear no Spartan, no Gaza, somebody reason the way they would understand. But what I say is them a people are reason off of vibes. Yeah, just the vibes right for them. You see what I say, my G? Well, yeah, me hear a man say look how me hear the vlogger them say, cause me do one video in my last video me do. My top review war, me review the reviewers. You see what I say? Because them a ask how comes people are say them bias. And me I say, well, these are little things that me recognize. You see me? And just put it together in one video. I'm sure the people them were don't bias and the people them were objective as well, even though them have a side evidently where them a carry. Them know this is a job, because at the end of the day, journalism in my bro. And we have an audience out there. Me tell them like this. If me do something or advocate for something right now on the media, 10 years later, my youth reach 11 or one of them reach 13, see? And me not rock with that the idea no more, but me did a rock with it now when me young and wild, see? How me a go feel when my youth a pick up that the style they know and say me brawling on the media with it. At the end of the day, bro, you see me I say you journalists them have to understand, so they have a responsibility for talking to a whole country. You see me?
Alright, so I got me I tell I play with one of our presidents from Australia. And me I said to him, say, we could have do a quiz off. Like a quiz thing.
Yeah.
So him I say, we could do this thing like make the sounds of cows in the boat. And me I say, no. Me not make no sound on the cow no more. I say it would be fun. They say no. That's my culture. I say sometimes you have to be funny. Me say no. Because 10 years me an artist. Me dey on internet about me go boss, you know.
8 years from now.
Man can take back that and say that boy look like him a cow. Me and you can use against me.
Remember dancehall no bro, you see me, and I tell the man them no bro, you have to understand. See me talk a phone dead, so right now me offer the record right to the never pass a good thing. Welcome back. You see me I say other intermission, you see me one remember my life on the TikTok, so somebody came over on the TikTok and you see me then they have play a game reason and thing. During that time my microphone died, so they are charge up and thing, you see me? So we're back. I would up on the second case. You see what I say? I go forward a yard. Because we reach a Massacre versus Tommy Lee. Where people are say just music, you know, but no brother. Lyrics are quote testimony when art is emotional. You see me I say? You remember when Cartel do me murder people in a broad daylight. I remember 3 o'clock in the morning. When you hear the grit in the man's voice, when you hear the emotion in the man's voice, or a man pronounce the word murder. Me murder. This man a try convince me so hard that if I try tell me say, me if believe say him, Vybz Kartel, kill people in a broad daylight. No, I don't believe that. Music, me understand it sound good, but me don't believe that. But that's just how me I tell you say artists when they get emotional, you see me I say you have to listen to whatever say. You see me? Whoever I say before that, making get so emotional. Vado basically tell him say I grew up and I am one. Basically, that's all there is to it. Vado come and say Vado playing punky image because him did a bleach, and at that time it wasn't a thug thing, it was a female thing. You see me I say for a tone and you sitting there, you see me? So it was a shot of the bleach with cream, the bleach with VL16, you see what I say? Him target him differently. They say if you notice that was one of Vado angles in that war. You see what I say? Cartel bleaching, because it wasn't a thing yet for a man a bleach, so you see me? So watch you now. Boom. And that the Cartel gets so angry in the regime. You see me? So what may I say? You can't just say a lyrics. You see me? I just music. No. So back to it. If you listen Massacre lyrics then clear the timeline. You see? It gives specific events and you have consistent story. You have a calm delivery. You see me? If you listen to Tommy Lee, he might deflect most of the time. He gets into some emotional outbursts, you know, and try to play it off like trolling or whatever you want to call it. You see me? And more time he end up as saying me never do it while describing it. You see me I say? So him actually admit without admitting. You know what I mean? So we have to really prudence in things like one next rule of when somebody a lie then just talk about their feelings rather than facts. You see me? And me did I try give one of the example there with the Vado thing as opposed to the actually me can't remember the lyrics word for word right now, but Vado did I say basically a facts. You see me I say, and then Cartel just come back emotionally. I could tell we say, boy, me murder people in a broad daylight, which we know you don't. You see me I say, so let's just cut the cap. You see me I say, so when somebody a lie, they talk about their feelings more than just facts. You see me I say, so Tommy Lee angry and Massacre precise, and that's my opinion still. Another rule is it should repeat itself. I wonder if you know hear me I say. It should repeat itself, and he lie them calmly, just remix themselves. Masicka continuously repeat some things, and people are say, yo, who just repeat lyrics? Yeah, me understand, I don't like your vibes, but as I said, this isn't just music. Court case. These are serious allegations where you need to answer to, and Tommy Lee keeps on deflecting. Now when Tommy Lee come and give you some bullshit allegations, you see me, and he remix them and carry it back again. Nobody says, oh, Tommy Lee is repeating. How much time you got try and make fun of the goat shit, which is not really relevant? How much time you got try and make fun of the flow shit, which is, well, downright just a lie? Because if you know music, you know Masicka have one flow in a note point. You see me? The man switch flow every song in the clash there, except I think probably Wake Up and Revelation. You see me? So I don't know what we are talking about here. Flow for days when I blow out tears, for sure. You see me? And everybody done game vein. So what we're talking about here? We don't even want to talk about the rest of tune them, like, so. You see me? Come on, man. So why Tommy Lee as an artist would have continued upon why you love his flow, so you're afraid of property tax? Why you love his flow, so you're afraid of digital? One flow you live in, you give it, is that what we are talking about here? I'm telling you that, baby, make your nature raise, and you're telling me that me live in a one flow. See, it's like people not even realize, bro. Tommy Lee was literally looking for secrets for Masicka. You see me I say? After Masicka catch him. After Masicka catch him. You see me? After Masicka reply and a leaking business, and Masicka said, pussy, everybody have your business, I spread it. You see me I say? But anyway, Masicka leaking business, which is the truth. You see what I show you? All you know is the truth. Use a bullshit radar. The man forward and him basically admit all the shit. Listen back the song them. Destroyer was a big admittance. Even Dirty as nice as it be, and I gave him a win in that round just based on some points and things. He still admits certain things. Really weird things too. You know what I mean? So just know that's what I'm saying. I admit without admit, bro. You see me? Every time Lee responds to expose it, and he make sure he name me to say it, you see me? While Masicka just continue the same story, and that's when I realize, even in a song title them, it's like a story. The man I continue, bro. You see me? Oh, me see it, and a coincidence that a pressure that I squeeze out of Tommy Lee. You see me? I say, Richard, you see me? Because, as me say, Tommy Lee say, fixing business for him, and all who keep secret for him. That was the third song, dog. After this man can leak out your whole business in the first song, his second song. And in the second song, him say, pussy, everybody have your business, I spread it. No, I lie. Another one there. What do them? Revelation. Instead of that, you know. You want to go, what do them? You don't know what do them. Yeah, you're the one that do it, you know. Yeah, so, but you might try to find information. You can see when he thinking did find one information with the done box him a hugging sting. You know what I mean? Like, you know the mark on the box him, and everybody the mark admit that shit. Why you would have said that shit and the fans run with that same way? But that was smart on your end. You see me just say, you know, have to detect bullshit, because people will selling a bullshit and want to go out there and go believe it, bro. It's too easy. You see me, so work on a bullshit detector. You know what I mean? That's all I'm saying. Boy, I could have gone at Tommy Lee and Masicka conversation for blouse and skirts deal still. You see me? Because as I said, Tommy Lee informed on himself for what through the war there, bro. You see me? I say, Masicka say, yo, you girl them say you're back weak and same thing there. Can't breathe nothing and ray. And you come back and come tell me in one song, say, yo, I mumble it, you know, in the last part I sang over some whole heap of nice up your fans no hear it. That too. You see me, I say, bro, I mumble it. Where is it? It's not pan corner talking about more about man back with girl. But say I'm dead. I say, oh okay. So you're doing yam crutch. But yo, people using the bullshit right there. Cause see vlogger them selling some bullshit. You see me? And if you don't check it, most of the vlogger them come out right now and attack facts now after a while. So I guess everybody just want to stay political and they bias. I just bills have to pay. You know what I mean? I understand that. So, make a journey over TikTok land. You see me I say, where Drizzle and Chad break up turn into a season finale. Both of them are cry, both of them are exposed, both of them are tell their side. You see me? But see chap you know, emotional truth and a factual truth. You see what I say? Yeah. Cause what you know, woman love tell you say, you as a man, you know the situation will happen. Right? And woman I go tell you say, it did make them feel like this. She need tell you how it makes you feel in at the moment, you know. Zine. But she do something. Then so with their therapy and we talk about it. She go tell you say, yo, it did make she feel like this. And I true that. Yes, what I say, that's not facts, me say. Me not say, make she feel away, but that's not the facts. You see me? The fact is, me never do this or me do this. How she feel about it, that's emotion. That's not factual. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So, just because somebody heard, they're honest. You see me? Man, in my opinion, still, so when people rush the internet after breakup, I don't know, I don't understand this. I never can understand this. How you hold the camera properly if you cry? Like, yo, these people are characters, not even good actors. You know what I mean? They next them long time still. But we just left the one there right there. So, you see me I say, but when people rush the internet, brother, after our breakup, to me, them just accurate sympathy. They just gather argument sympathy from anybody where, you see me, like, them are the victim game. You see me? Or they protect their image. You see me I say, not for them to just try rewrite history. Like, if me tell a good enough lie, just maybe, people will run with that the story there instead. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Them people that dangerous, them the people that I'm afraid of most. You see me?
I wonder if he know that I know he's lying right now. Oh, you got the new Margellas? That's what's up. I see you. That's your BMW? That's nice. That's your girl? Golly. Okay, I see you. But I just want to know one thing. You ready? Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop fucking lying. Always lying to me. You lying so much. You making it hard for me. Yeah.
So he bring me to the third rule, brother. You see me? You see whoever post first, usually I try control the narrative. Not really truth, just a narrative. Is what I say. And another big one is really and truly private problems become public lies when validation needed. You see me? And you can't need validation based on the fact that I think Umbre put her out and the video they catch. You see me? But also Umbre need validation because moms are calling Batty Boy. You see me, and moms don't really call him Batty Boy, you know. You just take your on his head, say, yo, I call me Batty Boy. Which I show something else too. All entirely in itself. You see me? But yeah, if two sides them attack non-stop, bro, you know, me see it, somebody have to lie. and somebody else have to exaggerate. You see me? It could have been all both, you know. You see me? So on have to work on a bullshit detector for 2026 because uno watch Diddy documentary, uno watch uno listen Tommy Lee and Masika Wadia. I want to hear Chad and Giselle. Well, I might not hear Chad and Giselle. I can't feel bad. I don't know who Giselle and Chad is neither. Nobody knows who they are. But as me said to somebody over on the TikTok, not real, and the TikTok world dangerous, man. Because I wonder who then complete stranger you be. Zine, where people are seem when something happen, you know, like when they get their viral moment, I say, yo, them people are who? How may I see them so much from my For You page? Them people have 10,000 followers, and it sounds like a bit, but check him out, 10,000 people are follow you. I want to that in a real world, bro. In a digital world, looks small. But if you have them 10,000 people there for really follow you, oh come on, man. You see me? I say, yeah, you run an empire. You see me? Yeah, man. So, that, I don't know them neither. You see me? But if you hear Chad and story, somebody a lie. Could be both. Somebody exaggerate, could be both. Somebody tell the truth, can't be both. Cannot be both. Remember me tell you say, who me afraid of? If somebody where I try gather sympathy, me not really afraid of them. If somebody where I try protect their image, then we go to some deaths, but me not really afraid of them. You see that drunker where I try rewrite history? Wicked. Alright, let me show you what I talk about. I tell the people them say Masika never did go give Tommy Lee a reply Zine because Vane was so long, 5 minutes, because that was everything Masika needed to say to just finish this. You see me? Come in, answer, drop allegations, left. You see me? I say nice song, melody, catchy words, flow. God, alright. It's a thing like this. Tommy Lee come and be a lie by telling you say you're a lie I tell. Zane, knowing damn well say a true I tell you. You know them people there? Them people are dangerous, Bridget. You see me I say? Aye. And then guess what now? You have the media believe. So Masika did have to come now and clear his name again and really carry receipts. That's why I get a second song from him. But that engage him now in a war where he never really give a fuck about. But somewhere along the line he decide to use it to his advantage, and there we go. That's how me see it. You have to learn to work on a bullshit detector for 2026. You see me I say? Find them sitting there out. You see me? Grab one mental pen and just take some notes. You have to have timing over them tears, Virgin. You see me? You have to find out why now them people there and why not then. Like all the Diddy people them. You see me? I say, why they ain't ball out then? Can I tell you, say, in my opinion, and relevance they want back, you know. Enough of them just feel played. You see me? Yeah. Because enough of them ain't qualified to do all shit. But suck dick. That's the truth, you see me? So, if the whole factor then they think they never get covered for life for sucking the right dick or the wrong dick, I don't know. You see me? That's on them, you see me? You should have some skills for make you, you go say, yo, in blackballing in the industry and really and truly this, that. But you could have get one job outside of the industry. You could have go back to college. You could have get one next course. He ain't stop you all that. And if he really want to stop you, Jay-Z have hitters. This man have hitters for days, bro. For days if he supposedly Merc, Pac and Biggie. You have hitters for days, bro. So what we talking about? The whole factor is still alive. For do this documentary, for do this testifying. Y'all wanted something. Why not then? You see me? So you have to understand timing over tears. You see me? Consistency over charisma. You see me? Cause nice talk of them lie better. So it really come give a better tune them. You see me? In a sense of funnier tune You see me? I nice talking that. But them they lie. Them they lie. We know that. And if you don't want me, prove it to you. Just say prove it, man. Drop in the comments and see video. You see me? Them damn dog, my people. Third thing to notice when you work on your bullshit detector. Notice details, no panic. Notice massacre, forward, and he say what I say. He say what I say. And Tammy forward, and he rush to say something thing. Thankfully, internet run with it, because comedy win at the end of the day, entertainment. You see me I say? But then I understand, say, Massacre need to take this as an entertainment. Me I talk to this boy personally. Run them file Jamaica. Underage them boy, them cater. You see me? So just understand me. Same thing with, so Massacre calmly repeat same thing. Same thing with the Diddy case. What I witnessed them with 50 having a documentary. What are them people? They sound too happy, panning downfall. They sound too victimy when them talk about it. Tears just queue up the right time, anytime they need it. It's some of my stories, them, some of my things, them just don't even sound believable. Like they don't even believe it when they're saying it. Oh, they can't. Then I sell it to be good. The truth of the matter is, as me say, that is strictly for entertainment purposes. Because if I did documentary there, you can't do nothing for it to Diddy legally. You see me I say, and 50 knows that. It's just the ultimate troll. It'll fuck up in career, in reputation. You see me I say, he can never come back in these streets and pretend to be cool with nobody. You see me? And that, me have one whole next different sitting there theory upon that, you know, because the Diddy documentary kind of make me pre-cartel life now one different type of way too, because I kind of see him. I see him. You see me? Mine was he got jail early and late part with timing where they switch got jail, but you don't know, I kind of see him. You see me? But watch you now, deflection is a confession. That one of you know next. You see me? When man a blame, a jump blame, them a hide guilt. Cause Tammy him. Me say bro, Massacre forward in his first song and drop 10 allegations. Tammy Lee forward in his second song, which is a reply to his first song. Massacre first song. And answer 4 out of 10 allegations. And confirm 4 out of 10. I don't remember all of them right now, but one of them was, yes, me is a drugs man. Yes, me Pop Mali and they sitting there. That cool now in a field culture, but the two man them were war. In a few age group, none of them they sitting there just ganja. You see what me I say? I grade and grabber. You see me I say? Yeah. So it's like, we don't need to remember the part there. That's why Massacre continuously put forth that piece as well. You see me? Because we are bad boy. Nobody in a gangster community now get a million win. That sound like a soft niggas, I swear to God. You see me? Lyrically. With Fanning Con admit all about in Pop Mali and Woody Henny and them. No, we don't, no bro, no. Them jugs, they are jugs if you watch the Diddy case. A jugs where you get girl for freaky and loosen up. Where you want that as a man for do? For wake up sore like liquor rod. Liquor rod a batty boy, you know? Yeah. And I can go on like you want to play a victim. Batty boy. I tell you. People not for raise on a bullshit detector. You see what I say? Yeah. So Tammy Lee goes a books now and answer 4 allegations out of 10. And basically confirm them, say yes that's true. And then just deflect the next 6. Where you left on me average man if you think? Say you're a lie, possible. You are lying. You see what I say? Yeah. So when I follow patterns, you see what I say? Honest people. No over-explain nothing. You see me? So oversharing, I try control the image. Tammy overshare. People them in a Diddy case overshare. The boy Chad overshare. You see what I say? Drizzle to overshare. You have to see who I tell what. You see me? So stop pick side, just start watch behavior, virgin. Yeah, body language tell one whole heap to in a war. You see me? So 2026 can be the year where we believe everything where loud, cause Jamaicans too smart for that, bro. So sorry all are retire. You see what I say? So you need to start think for yourself and know and every victim honest brethren and everybody we get accused guilty and me understand Jamaica tell we say you're guilty till proven innocent, but Jaja you I tell you and everybody we accused guilty and every documentary factual that Marlon Wayne they try to say but boy him did I say it for ulterior motives and that catch him in a backlash, so you know that go. You see me? And every lyrics fictional. You have to listen to it good. So rewatch the documentary. Listen to Lax podcast about Chad and Giselle. I don't know them, I don't really think you know them neither. You see me? But you know Lax. One of the twins, them fan twins are twins. You see me I say? This is a female. You cover it properly. And rewatch the documentary, listen back to war, analyze for yourself. How you go? Who are bullshit or who not bullshit? You see me I say? Remember say trust no shout, trust not beg likes, and trust not rush explanation. When you're not going to listen back then sitting here. You see me? You just stand up and wait for everybody to find out, say, oh, bullshit over there. So, yeah, man. So before you share, before you choose side, or before you cancel somebody, get your bullshit detector out and think about it and sit there. So you know where you go. Big up yourself. That's just how me see it. You see me? Love and respect.